In today's video, I want to quickly run you through this software, and I'll be taking my time to build it with you step by step. So what I want you to do is to subscribe to the channel. So now let's quickly run through this one. So I have my home page, I have the dashboard. So I have total vote cast, total registered voters, total non-voters, turnout, total male and total female. Then when you come here, we have the candidates. So boys preferred, girls preferred, their names and their pictures. Okay, so all the candidates are here. Okay, then I have my voters registered too. So I have my voter ID image. So here the image of the voters will be here. Then here is where they are going to cast their votes, and here will be collating all the votes that will be cast by the student, and this will give us the summary of the vote cast for each candidate. So now let's see how the system works. So first of all, cast your vote. So if you want to cast your vote, the student have to search for his or her name from this drop down box. So you select, okay, then the gender of the student too, you select, let's say female. So then you come here, so boys preferred, you choose one, then you see that the image will automatically appear. Okay, and we have girls preferred too. Okay, then we have sports. Okay, so as you are selecting the images, their images are appearing. Okay, and then when you come to sanitation, we have this. When you come to this place too, we have that, and here we have this one, and then we have this one. This place is not part, but I just created it. Okay, I've just created it. That's why other prefect in my school we have only 6 categories of prefect. Okay, so that is it. Then when you finished, then just click votes. Say vote cast successfully. So when I click OK, so that all the images will be cleared and then it will return back to normal. So now let's come here. Now when you come here, you see that all the votes have been populated in this sheet. Okay, and when we come here too, you see, so each candidate has 8 votes. So here one, and when you come here to your declaration, so here you say that senior boys preferred elect. So the name and then the number of votes will also appear here. So the same thing. So after voting, we will just print this sheet out, and then the sheet will automatically show out the people or the student that have been elected to lead the school. So that is it. So I will take my time to build this software with you. What I would like you to do is to subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe, hit on the notification bell, so that when I start the tutorials you can get the notification. Thank you.